1 cup of uncooked rice makes about 3 cups of cooked rice. I can usually eat about 1/2 cup of cooked rice with my meal. Depending on what you're eating with it, 1 cup of uncooked rice may be enough for 3 to 6 people. Rinsing the grains is optional, and frankly, I rarely ever do it. It can make the rice less starchy and improve the flavor by removing dust and dirt, but personally I prefer the texture without rinsing. Add water at a 2-to-1 ratio, 2 parts water, 1 part rice. If you rinse the grains, I suggest removing 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. Turn the burner up to high and leave the lid off. Bring the water and rice to a boil before putting the lid on. I always say, oh, I'll keep an eye on it, but without fail this happens. I set it to high, I put the lid on, and the moment I walk away or get distracted with another task, it boils over. So just leave the lid off for now and avoid making this mess. Trust me. Once it comes to a boil with the lid off, turn the burner down to low. If you walked away and feel like it may have boiled for more than 2 to 3 minutes, add about a tablespoon of water at this point. Wait for the water to return to a simmer, then put the lid on. Since all stovetops will be different, let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes before checking it. I checked mine at 10 minutes and there was still a lot of water left. At about 17 minutes, I checked it again by moving aside some of the rice with a fork, and there was still some water in the bottom. At about 25 minutes, it started sticking to the bottom and there was no water left. At this point, turn the burner off, remove the pot from the heat, and fluff the rice with a fork. And there you go. Once you've mastered this, there are countless ways to add seasoning and make rice more flavorful and dynamic. Hit the like button or leave a comment letting me know if you'd like to see some basic ways to add flavor to white rice.